I've helped this client generate over $300,000 using Facebook and Instagram ads. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how we set these ads up. Now, we're going to jump right into the ad creation side. So inside of the ads manager, you want to hit this green create button. Now, the most important thing is making sure you select the right objective. So people typically go to traffic. This is going to be low quality people on the Instagram, Facebook platform. They'll click on the ad, but they don't necessarily take action once they get to your site. You always want to go sales anytime you want buyers. So you're looking for conversions. So right here where it says conversions. And if we hit this select over this I, it says get people to add items to their cart, make purchases, start subscriptions, take other actions on your website. So conversions mean they're going to click on the ad and they're likely to take an action once they get to your site. So from here, we're going to hit continue. Then we're going to go manual sales campaign. Then we're going to hit continue. So I typically at least put the date if you don't have a name. So test ads, and today's date is the 27/8/27. Now we're going to deselect use catalog. We're just going to keep this super simple. Then I'm going to skip over all this. We don't need any of this right now. So then we're going to hit next. So if you have your shop set up, you would go website and shop. If not, just go website. So for this example, I'm just going to go website. Typically, if you have like a Shopify store, you should, and you've connected your Facebook page, you should already have your shop connected. So you can use this option. Then we're going to leave this as is, maximize number of conversions. Then you're obviously going to need your pixel. Then for your conversion event, you're going to select purchase. So you're basically telling Facebook, hey, show my ads to high quality people on the platform that have exhibited purchase behavior previously. So that's how that essentially works. Then Facebook can optimize for getting your ads in front of more people that are likely to buy as you start getting sales. Then for this example, we're going to turn on dynamic creative. Dynamic creative has been working really well. It's basically like you create one ad, but you can put in up to 10 ad creatives. And by the way, if you're learning anything from this video, please like this video. Please subscribe. Also comment if you have any questions, and I'll create a reply video just for you. Now for budget, you can start with as little as $5 per day. Just keep in mind with smaller budgets, not a lot happens. I guess as quick as you would like because you're not reaching a lot of people. Notice how your reach changes as we play with our budget. So with a $5 per day, it's saying like 450 to 1,300 people. You have to keep in mind, think about if you need to ideally reach 2,000 people to get one sale. If you have a $5 per day budget, based on this, you may not reach enough people until day 3, 4, or 5. So now let's put in a $50 per day budget. Now let's put in a $500 per day budget. Now let's try 5,000. So that's how your ad spend works. It basically allows you to reach a specific amount of people, and within you reaching those people, someone is likely to want to buy your stuff. So don't get caught up on budget, specifically daily budget. Focus more on what you're spending overall. Good rule of thumb is when you're just starting your ads out, you probably want to spend at least the cost of the product. So if it's a $50 product, you at least want to spend $50 to try to sell the thing. That way, you have something working on your hands. As far as getting sales from your ads, you may just need to tweak a few things to try to spend less next time to get a customer. So moving on. We don't do end dates on our ads. What I will say is if your ads are not working, just manually come in here and turn them off. Then scroll, leave all of this as is. So this Advantage Plus audience has been working really well. And this is basically you just letting Facebook kind of broadly target like this many people, hundreds of millions of people. They're pretty smart about getting your ads in front of the right people. You just have to keep in mind your actual ad content and your ad copy needs to be specific to someone or a group of people. That way it's easier for Facebook to get your ads in front of the right people. If you have broad targeting, then your ad is like broad and not specific. Then when they land on your website, it's broad and specific. It's probably not going to work out for you. Then placements, we're going to use Advantage Plus placements. And that just means that your ads are going to show on all of these different placements. So I just selected manual just so you can see it. So we're going to select that back. Then we're done with the targeting side. And we're going to go next. Then turn on ad preview. And I'll just do a quick example. Let's see. So we're going to go add media, add images. So again, this is the dynamic creative. So we can add like 5 images. See, this is the image. This is the image. Then continue. So it's going to add. So basically, Facebook will deploy these images as it feels like it can potentially get a conversion. Then we're going to add some videos. So let's go with this. So now we have 10 ad creatives inside of one ad level. I don't know how to explain it. So this right now we're in the ad level. So I'm gonna just name this ad level. So the ad level is where you add your ad creatives. So we have one like ad technically, but we have 10 pieces of creative inside of the ad. That way Facebook can again deploy the content as it sees fit. So with your primary text, if you're not good at writing ad copy, it's probably best to try to use like ChatGPT to aid in this. What I will do is give you like a formula. So hook. I don't know why this is not spacing. So hook, value, CTA. So right now, like this is showing like a hair growth oil. So our hook could essentially be like, do you struggle with growing your hair? So your hook is basically trying to grab someone's attention. We usually do this with questions. So now the value or the offer part is where we've grabbed their attention. Hey, do you struggle with growing your hair? Now the value part is us actually like positioning our thing as a solution to their problem. How do I want to say this? Check out our amazing all natural hair growth oil. Oh shit. So something like that. You can also feed this into ChatGPT and say, hey, give me a few variations. Depending on your ad account, Facebook has like AI built in some ad accounts where it does, based on your primary text that you type out, it will give you AI versions of it. If not, you'll just have to plug this into ChatGPT and get a few more. Now, your call to action is like what to do next. Tap the shop now button. So just like that. Then basically you have up to 5 opportunities for your primary text or your caption. So we'll paste this here, but we'll change the actual hook. Would you like to grow full and thick hair? So again, we're hooking them with a question, but everything else stays the same because our product ultimately solves both of these problems. It's just a hair growth oil. So that's how that works when you're writing out your copy. Again, use ChatGPT to aid you in this to give yourself the best, I guess, chance of coming up with some good ad copy. But use that formula: hook, story, offer, or hook, value, offer. Now your headline is what goes here. And you can, this is another way for you to grab attention. So you can say something like best hair growth oil ever. So again, we're just calling out like to the product, best, whatever it is that you're selling, best, whatever, ever. We can also say obviously make this factual. This client has over 1,300 5-star reviews. So we're going to say over 500 plus 5-star reviews. And again, with this one, you have up to 5 opportunities to put different headlines. And basically what Facebook is going to do is they're going to take a combination of your headline, combination of your primary text, combination of content, and deploy it out. and show it to people and see if it can get you a conversion. Then you're going to put your website URL here. Then instead of learn more, your call to action is going to be shop now. Then you want to make sure your pixel dot is green. That means it's active. Then you're going to hit publish. Now, if you want my personalized help with setting up your ads or consulting with you to set up your ads, message me on Instagram at iGrowSalons. Message me at consult. Again, message me the word ad consult if you want my personalized help with setting up your ads. If you have any questions, comment them in the comment section. If you learned something again from this video, please like it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.